Hello everyone. In this movie, I am going to show you how you can download and install Java development kit and then VS Code. After that, we will see how we can integrate Java development kit with VS Code so that we can do the development task. First, let me download Java development kit JDK download Oracle so that you'll be ending up with the specific Oracle website. Now I am going to browse down to see the installation for file download link. JDK 24, which is the latest version as of today, is selected. Under these three operating systems are mentioned: Linux, Mac OS and Windows. We will be using Windows computers here in our university, so I'm choosing Windows. If you are using different OS like Mac OS, you can choose a corresponding version. In the For Windows, I'm going to download the exe file rather than other files, extracting files such as compressed files such as zip or Microsoft installer file. I'm going to choose the middle one, that is exe file. Give it a click, so it will start downloading here. So let us wait until the download is complete. So download is about to complete. 206 MB file size. We are nearing to complete. Now the work is done. I'm going to click on these files so that it starts the installation wizard. So it's showing Java Standard Edition. SE stands for Standard Edition Development Kit 2401, the sub edition setup. I'm going to click next, and it is suggesting where the default location is and where it is going to save the installation files: C drive, program files, Java folder, and another JDK24. Except in this default location, I'm going to click next. It starts downloading. Files are copied to the location and installation is done. Now it says installation is successfully completed. I'm going to click on this close button to close the installation wizard. Now I'm going to check the installation by clicking on start menu, and I'm going to search for command from CMD. I'm going to click this so that I receive this console. I'm increasing the display size, zooming in. Now I'm going to type Java space hyphen version. Press enter key. It will show me the installation of Java runtime environment, and then again I'm going to type Java C for Java compiler hyphen version and press enter key. It is showing Java compiler 24.0.0.1, so which means we have successfully installed. Again I'm going to click on this start button and type environment variable, and I'm going to click on this edit environment variables. Under this system properties, you will find environment variable button here. I'm going to click on this, and it has user variables as well as system variables. I'm going to select path under system variables and click on edit button. Here you will see the paths edit, and at the bottom you see program file Java JDK 24/bin. It is automatically added. In some cases, your computers might not have added this. In that case, what you have to do is to go to your My Computer, double click on C drive, and then go to program files, and then double click on Java, and you see here bin folder. So after going to the bin folder, you can click somewhere here and right click and copy the path. Close this window and come back. you have to click on new path and paste it by pressing Ctrl V and then click OK button. In our case it is already done, so I'm going to cancel this and click on this cancel button to accept the already done changes.